Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Qrclip, a tool that claims to transfer self-destructing data to and from any device by scanning QR codes or using a link. So with that tool, you can just upload a file and then just download it on another device or send to a friend, and they can download it using a QR code or a link. So it's a tool to transfer files between different devices, between different computers, or even to send to someone that needs a really big file. And they are self-destructing data, so it's safe to use the tool. Let's take a look at the deal. Every time that you buy the deal, you get 100 credits, so 100 gigabytes of file transfer. So it's not a lifetime deal in a way that it will replenish each month, but you get 100 gigabytes and a 2 gigabyte file limit and 50k characters per message. 15 days of maximum expiration time, so someone needs to download the data before that time expire. And you can add up to 25 file attachments per Qrclip. Let's take a look at the tool. So here is Qrclip, and everything is pretty easy to understand. If you want to receive the file on that device, you start here. If you want to download the to send the file, you just click here on send. So you just need to drag and drop your file here. I'm gonna add an image for the sake of that review, and you can add a message, any message here. Here is your picture. Of course, it's good to use that to send really big files to your friends or to transfer between devices. I'm only adding an image to be easy to see, to show you how the tool works. You can select here when it will expire. So let's say it will expire in 1 day. And also you can allow someone to delete it or not. Generate a QR code and a link. And you can scan a receiver. So you can click here to send a QR code. I'm going to click here, they will encrypt and create the QR codes. So if someone use that QR code, they can download that file. You can see the time when it will expire. You can also copy the link or download the QR code as PDF. And then when someone opens the link or use the QR code, the person will see that. The message here, that they can copy the message, the file, and they will able, in that case, to delete the file after they download it. After the person downloaded, they can, of course, delete the file forever. That's Qrclip. That's pretty simple use case. I hope you like that overview, and take a look at the deal on AppSumo because it's pretty good. I just added the link on the description. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.